Would you like to administer the oath to those who have not been deposed?
Yes, Your Honor. May I please request those who are here for the first time?
Before that, Mr. Chair, before that, parliamentary inquiry. Parliamentary inquiry.
Senator Joanna?
Yes. We would just like to know, we noted that Mr. Huang Tzu Yen was mentioned as one of those present. May we know if he is in Manila or within the jurisdiction of this committee? Or is he abroad?
Mr. Huang Tzu Yen, please answer.
Mr. Chairman, I'm currently abroad in Singapore at the moment.
Okay, now, we have a very peculiar situation here where an oath is administered on a person who is outside of the jurisdiction of the country. The only remedy that I can think of is probably Mr. Huang stating on the record that he is willing to reaffirm whatever his testimony will be in these proceedings and go to the embassy and submit that statement in affirmation of his statements here in order that he can be bound under oath by the statements he makes. Otherwise, in my mind as a lawyer, there is an issue as to whether or not he was effectively placed under oath as he is not in the country.
Indeed, that is the law. And the resource person, who is one of the officials of Pharmally, will not be giving us anything, a word other than spit, unless he goes, he is willing to reaffirm it before an official or before the Philippine Embassy in Singapore. Will the gentleman please answer? Are you willing to reaffirm your oath afterwards? Otherwise, where are you in Singapore?
I'm in my place of residence in Singapore, in my home. I'm a Singaporean by nationality.
Yes, but you are in Singapore right now.
That's correct.
All right. Are you willing to reaffirm your oath before the Philippine Embassy?
Yes, I'll be willing to reaffirm my oath in the Philippine Embassy.
In which case, the Director General of the Blue Ribbon is instructed to call the Philippine Embassy right now and to proceed where Mr. I'm sorry, let me just be sure.
Huang Tzu Yen.
Huang Tzu Yen, so that the proper oath can be given. Director General?
Yes, Your Honor, we will make the call.
I suggest you call through the Department of Foreign Affairs.
Yes, Your Honor.
Somebody please mute. We can hear the discussion that is not salient. Well, somebody didn't bring the breakfast this morning, and they're still arguing. Please unmute yourself. Thank you. In the meantime, with the permission of Senator Duran, all these people, are there any other aliens here present from Pharmally? Mr. Wang, do you have anybody else with you?
I have with me legal counsel with me, Attorney Don Kapunan.
Will you please introduce him if he's there?
Attorney Kapunan.